Hello friends, today we're diving into the world of crypto trading and exploring how to effectively use the Weex exchange. We'll discuss how to buy crypto on the spot market, how to use futures to profit in any market, and why more traders are choosing this platform. In this video, you'll learn how to trade on the Weex spot market, how futures work and how to use them. Plus, get startup bonuses using our link. Ready? Let's go. Why Weex? Weex is a cryptocurrency exchange that is rapidly gaining popularity due to its simplicity, reliability, and favorable conditions for traders of all levels. Here's why it's valued: reliability and security. The exchange is registered in multiple jurisdictions and undergoes regular audits. All user funds are protected. Simple interface. Even if you're a beginner, the platform is easy to navigate. Everything is logical, convenient, and straightforward. Low fees. Weex offers some of the best conditions. Low fees on spot and futures markets with no hidden charges or deposit fees. Wide range of assets. Dozens of cryptocurrencies and trading pairs are available for both short-term trading and long-term investment. Passive income features. You can earn not only from trading, Weex offers staking, copy trading, and other tools. Quick registration. No verification, no unnecessary bureaucracy. Once your account is set up, you can start right away. The promo code below the video will give you a nice startup bonus. Don't forget to activate it. If you are unsure how to register, we have a video on our channel to guide you. So, spot or futures trading. Spot trading is straightforward. You buy a coin and become its owner. For example, if you buy Bitcoin, it's yours. You hold onto it, wait for it to appreciate, and then sell it. This method is suitable for long-term investments or steady accumulation. Futures, on the other hand, require experience and strategy. You don't buy the asset itself. Instead, you enter into a contract on its price movement. You can profit from both upward and downward trends. Additionally, there's leverage, which can amplify your results. However, the risks are higher. One wrong move, and you could lose everything. In a nutshell, spot trading is about ownership and stability, while futures are about speculation and quick decisions. Choose what suits your style best. To start trading on the Weex spot market, follow these simple steps. Select Spot from the top menu. I'll demonstrate the process using BTC, but you can choose any available coin. The principle is the same. In the search bar, enter BTC USDT and open the desired trading pair. The trading interface will appear before you. In the middle bottom section, you'll find the order placement window. There are two main options: market order, buy at the current price. Enter the amount in USDT and click Buy BTC. The transaction will be executed instantly. Limit order, buy at your desired price. Enter your desired price and amount. The order will execute when the market reaches that point. Once the order is executed, BTC will appear in your spot balance. Now, share in the comments. What coins are you buying on the spot market and what do you think about Ethereum? Share your strategies, thoughts, and experiences. Trading on the futures market of the Weex crypto exchange allows you to profit from both the rise and fall of cryptocurrency prices by using contracts instead of directly purchasing coins. To start trading futures on Weex, you need to go to the futures section and then select the desired contract, such as BTC USDT. When you enter the futures market, one of the first things that catches your attention is the option to choose leverage. Leverage allows you to trade amounts that exceed your deposit. For example, with 10x leverage, your capital of $100 becomes $1,000 available for trading. However, it's important to remember that as leverage increases, so does your risk. If the price moves in the opposite direction, you can lose your entire deposit faster than you can react. Therefore, beginners are advised to choose low leverage, such as 3 to 5. Now let's focus on margin. Margin is a type of collateral that you deposit to open a futures position. On the Weex crypto exchange, there are two methods for working with margin: isolated margin and cross margin. These modes determine how your funds will be used and how much risk you are willing to take. Isolated margin. In this mode, you allocate a fixed amount to a specific position. If the market moves against you, you only risk this amount. It's an excellent choice for beginners or those who want to clearly limit their risks. Even if something goes wrong, the rest of your funds on the exchange remain safe. This approach allows you to maintain peace of mind and confidence. Cross margin. In this mode, all your available capital is used as a shared reserve to cover potential losses on any position. This mode is appealing to experienced traders who are confident in their decisions. It reduces the chance of liquidation since the entire balance supports the position. However, it's important to remember that if the market suddenly changes direction, you could incur much larger losses than anticipated. Now let's consider two main types of orders. Market order. This is an order for an immediate transaction at the current price. It's convenient when it's important to quickly enter the market. Limit order. With this order, you set the price at which you want to buy or sell a contract. It's a great choice for those who prefer more precise control. When deciding which direction to trade, long on the rise or short on the fall, it's important to consider the current market situation. If you are confident that the price will rise, open a long position. If you expect a decline, open a short position. It's also recommended to set take profit and stop loss orders. This way, after opening a position, you can automatically set orders to close it when certain price levels are reached. Trading futures is like racing at high speeds. It's crucial to evaluate risks, make quick decisions, and use all available tools to manage positions on Weex. Initially, it might seem challenging, but with experience, you'll learn to effectively leverage this market to your advantage. Now you know how to start trading on Weex. from simple spot purchases to advanced futures trading. The exchange combines simplicity with powerful functionality. And with a bonus from our link, starting will be even more enjoyable. And if you want more practice and up-to-date information, join our Telegram channel. There you'll find live streams with experienced traders, a trading chat, educational resources, and the latest news. The link is in the description. Give us a like if you found the video helpful, and don't forget to subscribe. There are many interesting reviews and educational videos coming up. In the comments, let us know. Do you prefer spot trading or futures? Which one suits you more and why? Good luck with your trading and see you in the next videos.